To set display mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to high contrast mode, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Under display mode section, tap high contrast thumbnail. As you can read, when you apply this mode, your phone will turn on some features such as dark mode, high contrast font, high contrast keyboard, reduce animation, and reduce transparency and blur to provide you a high contrast display. To apply this display mode, tap apply button. As a note, while this mode is being used, you can adjust, change the selection, or even turn off one or some of these features if you think that they don't suit your need. As example, you can change the high contrast keyboard style to another style that you want to use. Given to the function, high contrast mode is best used for those with low vision, like sensitivity or diminished contrast vision, as well as for those who are working in low light environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.